All participants please launch Jupyter page and type done within Zoom chat. In our last class, we have done work on ANOVA. ANOVA and its visualization in Python. Today we will work for regression analysis. I think our last class. ANOVA. We have done on ANOVA. Okay. Now please type done so that I move to next step. Please confirm, have you launched Jupyter page? If yes, please type done. I am waiting for your reply. Just one participant message is done. Please all confirm so that I start today class. Otherwise, you may lose some steps. So please try as soon as possible and type done. Only one participant message is done. And 5 participants. Sarijana, Muhammad, Manzoor, Mitchell, and iPhone. Please confirm. Okay, thank you, Mitchell. No, next step is regression. So today your task, you will do work alone. I will just watch you, and if you found any issue or error, you can share your screen. So your task number 1 is perform regression and its visualization in Python. 4 questions should be arise in your mind. Question number 1, what is regression? Why do we perform regression? Perform regression. Third is types of regression. And fourth is generate sample data table for regression related to your field of study. So I will just give you the name of different types of regression. Copy, open ChatGPT, chat, types of regression. Please give only name with definition. So there are some type of regression. Here is a simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, polynomial regression, ridge regression, lasso regression, elastic net regression, logistic, ordinal, multinomial, stepwise, quantile, and so many types are available for regressions. I am sending these type of regression names in group. Here are the all type of regressions analysis name. Although some other type of regression names are also available, but your task is, no, I have sent all type of regression name in your group. No, perform one by one all 15 type of regression. First generate sample data and then apply one by one in Python and share your results in the form of graph as well as in the form of a table in WhatsApp group. If you found any issue, any error, or you are unable to resolve any error, you please let me know. I will resolve your issue. Now you have 30 minutes for this task. 30 minutes. Okay. Now start. If you have any question, you can ask. If clear, type clear and start your work. If task is clear, please type clear and start your work. Okay, thank you. Now you have 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes I will continue next part. And if you found any issue or error, you send message in Zoom chat. I will open your mic. I will allow for screen sharing. Okay, thank you. Now please start your task.